All right, I just received this in the mail. It's a vegetable chopper, LHS. Let's unbox it and check it out. It's got some, tells you how to insert the blades, place the food on the blade, press down gently. Wow, here it is. Let's go ahead and just slide that over to the side. Let's take a look. It's got a warning on here. Okay, here she is. And apparently everything's on the inside. And I think that this, pull back a little bit. I think that this comes up. Okay, so that comes off, right? Like that. Set that there. It's got like a little comb I think you clean stuff with. We'll set that there. This is a warning about suffocation, so I don't think it's about food. And this, I believe, is you put on the food and it holds it because it's got these little like spikes. And these are the blades here. They all have that. You get 2 blades in each thing. This one looks like, so you can do carrots. This one you can chop things into little, like French fry like type squares, I guess. Set those there. Put that over there. See what these are. Oh, here's I don't know what these are. I better save them though. Put them over there. And here's some more cutters. All right, so check these out. Here's a bigger French fry maker, I think. This is another grating thing, right? And this one here is a slicer, so you can slice like real thin potatoes. All right, so I think those are all those. And I think the way it works is you just kind of put this in here like that, right? And then you take the this item here and you're gonna set it right in there like that. And then you put your food there and then go whoosh, and then it goes into here. And that's how it works. All right, we have to try it out, but that's the unboxing of this bad boy. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.